Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to make the text on your iPhone smaller. It's a pretty simple process, so let's get right into it. First, we need to open the Settings app on your iPhone. Just find that little gear icon and tap it. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Display and Brightness and tap on that option. Now look for Text Size and tap on it. This is where the magic happens. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a slider. By default, it's usually in the middle. If you wanted to make the text larger, you'd slide it to the right. But we want smaller text, so we're going to slide this slider to the left. Go ahead and adjust the slider to your liking. Now let's go back to the main settings screen, or even the home screen, and you'll see that all the text on your iPhone has been made smaller. You can now use your iPhone as you normally would, but with text that's easier on your eyes. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tips for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.